Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to convert your multiple video clips into one clip, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply open your browser and you have to download an application that is CapCut PC. So if you want to make all the clips in one clip one clip from your PC, so you have to download this CapCut PC, so you can find this CapCut desktop. So simply click on open this button here and this first link here, and you can find this download for free button. So simply click on it and it will download immediately the exe file, which one actually allow you to install the CapCut PC official application on your system with just a simple click and some instructions. So you have to follow them and install this. Now once you have installed it, you have find this CapCut application, so double click on it. Now when you have opened this CapCut application, you have to do is simply click on create project like here. So when you create a project from here you can see you can upload your photos or file, or you can drag and drop your file. So for example, I want to create these 3 video into one video, so I'm going to upload this 3 video, drag and drop this video from here, or you can use this import button. Now you have to do is simply drag all of them, or also you can select multiple of them together, the first and second, the exact order. Now then you can drag and drop it, it will just add all of this in one place. So this is the main video track. So once you have added this, if you want to make these 3 clips into one clip, so you have to do is now export, this export button at the top right corner. Now from here you can rename it and you can find the location path where you want to save it. So you can select it from here, any file you can use. Then after selecting that, simply click on select folder and simply click on export. Then you have to wait until it exports perfectly and it will merge these 3 clips into one video. So that's how you can just simply do it.